Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.3, and in this question it is given to you a short bar magnet placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla experience a torque of magnitude this much. Okay, what is magnitude of magnetic moment at this magnet? Clear? So let's suppose given situation is like this. Let's suppose here we have a magnet. Let's suppose this is magnet, and let's suppose this one is north and this one is south. We are placing this magnet in a uniform magnetic field. So let's suppose I am saying magnetic field is now in this direction. Let's suppose this is uniform magnetic field. Clear? Now if I am talk about a magnetic moment direction, and I can see this is, let's suppose this is in this direction, that is small m. Clear? And it is also given here this short bar magnet is placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field. Clear? It means we can say this angle we have 30 degree, and it is actually experiencing a torque. Why this is experiencing a torque? Actually, now we know whenever we place this magnet in a uniform magnetic field, now force will act here. Clear? So we can say in this direction, definitely we can say magnetic force F equal to mb. This will act in this direction, right direction, and a force will act in an opposite direction. I can say this is also equal to mb. Clear? Now you can say both are both forces are having same magnitude but opposite direction. Clear? So it means we can say net force this is acting on this magnet, that is what? 0. But what about torque? Because these forces are not having same line of action. So definitely we can say here torque will act. Clear? So how can we calculate here torque? So let's suppose if I am taking here, this is the position of center of mass. Clear? I can say here definitely if we find this distance, so force into perpendicular distance, from here you can say this is force into perpendicular distance, and both are having same direction. Yes or no? We can say from this point we can say this is in clockwise direction, this one is also clockwise in direction. So like this you can derive the expression of torque. Clear to you? So from here we can, I am directly writing here formula of torque. Formula of torque, this is given by mb sine of theta. You know very well. Clear? And we can also say it may be written like this also in a vector form. Tau, this is given by m cross b. Clear? Now what is my objective in this question? My objective is clear, is to calculate here value of m. Value of m, this is given by tau upon b sine of theta. Clear? Now what is value of tau? So it is given here 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. So 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule divide by value of b. Value of b is given 0.25 Tesla and multiplied with sine of 30. Clear? Sine of 30. Clear? So from here we can say value of m. Value of m is 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by, we can say this is 1 by 4. Clear? And multiply 1 by 2. So we can say this one is 8. 8 will go to the numerator. So 8 into, I can say this is 9 by 2 multiply 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? And here we will find unit. This is joule per Tesla. Clear? From here you can say this one is 4. So directly we can say this is 36 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule per Tesla. Clear? So this is the value of magnetic dipole moment. Clear? So this is all about this question.